Okay, now see this question. So let's see. It is saying calculate cost of goods sold and closing stock from the following information. Sales are given rupees 5,40,000. Sales return rupees 16,000. Gross profit rupees 1,20,000. Opening stock 20,000. Purchases 4 lakh. Purchase return 4,000 and carry inward 15,000. So this is given in the question. Now first thing question is asking me cost of goods sold, and second thing question is asking me closing stock. Now when I read the question, I don't get any picture in my mind. Now how to solve this question? So how to proceed in such question when your mind is not responding that what formula you should use here, which step you should complete first. So start writing the formula, then you will come to know how I will be solving this question. So first formula which you remember is gross profit is equal to net sales minus cost of goods sold. When you will write your formula, after writing your formula, you will get a direction. And please learn these steps also, because these all things will be coming in your class 12 syllabus also in a different manner. The whole chapter is there and about 40 to 50 formula are there. So please learn this formula and practice them well. Okay. So now see, gross profit is given in the question and net sales is also given in the question. Because net sales is sales minus sales return, both amounts are given to me in the question. That's why I will be easily calculating the sales, net sales. And question is asking me cost of goods sold. So I can simply take help of this formula and I can very easily calculate the cost of goods sold. Got it? Is that clear? Okay, now see. So whenever you will write the formula, only then you will get some direction. 1,20,000 it is given. Is equal to net sales. So net sales means sales minus sales return. So I will be doing it 5 lakh. Okay, fine. I will write here net sales. It will become 5,24,000. I will show calculation of net sales also. It is compulsory to show. And cost of goods sold I will be writing as it is. So cost of goods sold is equal to 5,24,000 minus 1,20,000. So that will be 4,04,000. Yes, please. Is this clear? I will simultaneously show here how I have calculated net sales. So net sales is equal to sales minus sales return. So it will be sales amount is 5,40,000 minus 16,000. So it will become 5,24,000. Now next part is, so first part I have completed, cost of goods sold I have calculated. Now second part is I have to calculate the closing stock. Now recall a formula which we have done yesterday in which you find the value of closing stock. Out of these formulas, identify the formula in which you are finding closing stock and tell me which formula. Point number A, B, C, D, E, F. So you can tell me point number, in which point number you are finding any formula which is having closing stock. Point number C, point number A. Yes, very good, very good. Okay. Now see, point C is also having a formula in which closing stock is there, and point number A is also having a formula in which closing stock is there. Point number A is the formula of cost of goods sold. Point number A is the formula of cost of goods sold. Please listen carefully how I am doing and how I am proceeding, because learn the steps. Solution will be there always. Learn how to identify the steps. So first formula is cost of goods sold, and then second formula, point number C, is adjusted purchases. So in this question, I am having a value of cost of goods sold, or I am having a value of adjusted purchases. Which value I am having? I am having a value of cost of goods sold in the question, or I am having a value of adjusted purchases. See your solution. In this data and in this, which value you are having? Cost of goods sold or adjusted purchases? Yes, very good. See, right now you have calculated cost of goods sold. Just now you have calculated cost of goods sold. So I will be using the formula of cost of goods sold. So now cost of goods sold is equal to opening stock. I always write the formula, and while you are writing the formula, speak it. So that way you will be easily learning it without any much hard work. Opening stock plus net purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. So now if I proceed in the same manner, so opening stock is given to me to be 20,000. Then net purchases, so I always calculate the net purchase. 4 lakh minus 4,000, it will become 3,96,000. Then direct expenses, given carriage inward is a direct expense. So 15,000 is your direct expense minus closing stock I want to calculate. Closing stock I want to calculate, and cost of goods sold I have already calculated. That is 4 lakh 4,000. 4 lakh 4,000. So with the help of this formula, I can calculate the value of closing stock. So closing stock is equal to, now add them up, 3,96,000 plus 5, 4,01,000 plus 10, 4,11,000 plus 20, 4,31,000. 4,31,000. If any difficulty you are facing, please tell me. Minus 4,04,000. So it will become 4,27,000. Sorry, it will become 27,000. So in this manner, when you will write the formula, you will get a way how to proceed in this question. But if you will read the question, you will not get any way by reading the question. Your mind will get confused at that time. Now, how to do this question? What formula I should use in such question? Okay, so these are your answers now. Now coming to the next question. See this question. Calculate gross profit. And here I should also calculate the net purchase I have to show. How I got the net purchases, I have to give it also. Net purchase is equal to purchase minus purchase return. So it will be purchases are how much? Purchases are given to you 4 lakh minus 4,000. So 4 lakh minus 4,000. It is rupees 3 lakh 96,000. Okay. Now see question number 13. It is saying total purchases during the year are rupees 8 lakh. Return outward rupees 20,000. Direct expenses rupees 60,000. And 2 by 3 of the goods are sold for rupees 6 lakh 10,000. Now first thing, read the question. What question is asking? What you have to calculate? What you have to calculate? Again, if you will read this question, you will not get any way how to proceed in this question. What to calculate first and how to proceed and how to reach the final answer. So first, identify what I have to calculate. I have to calculate the gross profit. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, now write down the formula of gross profit. Tell me the formula of gross profit. What is the formula of gross profit? What is the formula of gross profit? Yes, very good, very good, very good. Gross profit is equal to net sales minus cost of goods sold. Net sales minus cost of goods sold. Okay. Now identify whether net sales are there in the question. Can you identify the amount of net sales? It is given in the question or not? And if you say that it is given, then tell me the amount also. Try to identify the amount of net sales. It is given in the question or not? Class is about to over, so if this question remains incomplete, we will solve it in next class. Yes, very good, very good, very good. See, if you are not able to identify, see the first point. Is it the amount of sales? No. Second point, is it the amount of sales? No. Third point, is it the amount of sales? No. Elimination round will also help you in solving certain questions, but we should be knowing where to apply this elimination method. Now, fourth point is 2 by third of the goods are sold for rupees 6,10,000. Is it the amount of sales? It is the amount of sales or cost of goods sold. Try to reach to its meaning. You will reach to the answer.